Greetings. Let us discuss about a scale. So our first question is going to be, what is a scale? Kana tichitaura pamusoro pescale, basically tiri kutaura pamusoro representation. Saka we are representing something with kana kuti on something. So what really are we going to be representing? Kana tiri panhau dzescale, we are representing chekutanga, in most cases, a larger area. So it can be an area or it can actually be a length, but in most cases it's a length. So a larger length and not a larger area, we are representing it with a smaller area kana kuti length. So zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti we have a large length, for example. Saka tine length yakakura kudai so. Anditika. But isusu manje tiri kuda kuidrawa length for some planning. Pakuidrowa kwedu manje, we cannot draw line rakakura kudaro. What we rather do is, we are going to represent that line with a smaller line. But the representation should make mathematical sense. What do I mean kana nchiti it should make mathematical sense? Let us take for instance panapa. Kuti instead of a length, we want to represent an area. Saka we have a rectangle like this, but in our drawing we want to represent it with a smaller rectangle, which is like this. Saka tiri kurepresenta this larger rectangle, the larger area, with a smaller area. But in our representation manje, pana nchitaura pamusoro pekuti it should make mathematical sense, ndanga nchishandisa marketplace language. Chaicho chandiri kutaura nezvacho panapa kuti it should be in ratio. Saka a ratio manje is basically something which is what? Fractional. And we are going to explain this in a little while. Zvatiri kungotaura panapa ndezvekuti length ino-ish andika should have a relationship with a corresponding length ino-ish. That is what we are talking about. What is this relationship? This relationship is called a ratio. And my ratios akawanda, how they are named is 1:to something, 1:n. Saka in explaining this, ideally hope could I have introduced the idea and the concepts of scale sufficiently. But kuti tinyatsokunzwisisa kuti topic inofamba sei, we need to apply what we have just learned on an example. That is going to be our example. We have taken it from the New General Mathematics Book 2, and as you can see, it's a very good example, testable at SIMSEC and also Cambridge. Example yedu iri kuti, a plan of a school is drawn on a scale of 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. Part A, if the football field is 80 meters by 53 meters, find its length and breadth on the drawing. Saka, before we attempt to answer this, there's something I had left out panapa. What I left out was, ino-ish, doinge chinzi, the actual object. So that is the actual object, that which we want to represent. Then kacho katiri kushandisa kurepresenta is called the scale drawing. So these terms are very important in our analysis. Let us go back to our question. Saka question yedu iri kuti kudini. Before we even attempt to answer the question, we should understand scale yashandiswa kuti chimbori chii. Saka if we write it down, taudzwa kuti a plan of a school is drawn to a scale of what? 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. Kana tikada kuinyora in mathematical terms, tinenge tichiti isusu 1 centimeter is to 5 meters. Saka semicolon ino representa chi? Tinoiverenga tichiti s2. You understand? So let us interpret zvazvinoreva. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti pascale drawing yedu, and when we have 1 centimeter per scale drawing, that 1 centimeter represents 5 meters on the actual ground. Saka of course panapa tongoshandisa for illustration. Saka ka 1 centimeter kari pa the plan of the school kari kurepresenta 5 meters on the actual ground. That is what our scale means. Saka tinogona kuinyora so mawira yaita 1 centimeter represents 5 meters, but it's more efficient now and clinical kunyora tichiti 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. Having understood scale yedu kuti inofamba sei, what we now have to do is attempt to answer the question. Part A ye question iri kuti, if the school field is 80 meters by 53 meters, find its length and breadth on the drawing. Saka let us dramatize panapa. Let us imagine kuti this is the school field. And the school field tells what it's representing what? It's 80 meters by 53 meters. This is actual ground. So mfunzo wedu tikada kuminterpreta in this way, this now is the scale drawing, SD. We need to know kuti pane 80 meters apo. So the scale drawing, we need to know kuti pane 80 meters panapa pane inenge iri chi, pane 53 meters panapa inenge iri chi. We are going to employ mainly two methods. The first method is the one I recommend. So I'm going to put it in a white color, M1. And what is it? It's called proportion. Saka pa proportion tichaita sei? Toda kutanga tatsvaga chi? The scale length. Saka kuti tiwane scale length manje, let us take our scale. Scale yatapiwa isusu. Alright, panapa maybe for the sake of efficiency, instead of the scale length, rega tinyore takati isusu scale drawing length. And saka length pa scale drawing toda kuziva kuti 80 meters iri kucorresponda ne length ipi kana tiri pa the plan yatiri kudrowa tishandisa chi scale drawing. So to do that much, we take our scale. 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. That is the scale. Then manje, we input the value of the actual ground length. Kureva kuti tinotarisa panapa ma units akakosha. Kune ma meters ndokwata kuyatoisa chi 80 meters. Ndati kune ma meters ndokwatava kuya tichiisa 80 meters. There's a 80 meters ikoko. We do not know the corresponding scale drawing length. Saka tinoirepresenta nani? Na x. Very important. So ana aya ndo anonzi iwo ma statements of proportion. They are called statements of proportion. Order yawo yakakosha. Ndosaka ndati ma units anotariswa. Kusaidi kune mameters ndokuchaenda 80 meters. Kune rimwe side kuri kuenda x, pamusana pekuti tiri kupupura kuti hatisi kuziva ndo yatiri kutsvaga. Anditi? Alright. Having done so, tinenge takungouya panapa tobva tati takuconverta mastatements aya into a mathematical equation. Saka panapa it's 1 cm kuside kunoku tinongoti 1 over x. Saka changoisa division line panapa. Tichareplace masemicolon na equal to, then panapa tongoti 5 over 80, just like this. Okay? Saka panapa manje takuti 5 into 5 ndi 1, 5 into 8 ndi 1 with the remainder of 3, and 5 into 30 ndi 6. Zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti panapa taana 1 over x is equal to 1 over 16. Tadai takuemploya cross multiplication. But chinhu chandoda kuti muzive ndechekuti cross multiplication inongoshanda chete kana tiine equal sign. This is a fact many people confuse, and it really affects their mathematics so much that marks akawanda are lost. Put this in your head. Cross multiplication inongoshanda chete kana paine equal sign. So kana tiine fractions on either side, as iri equation to mean pane equal sign, ndopega panoshanda chi? Cross multiplication. Inorevei cross multiplication? Inoreva kuti 16 ishi yanga imbori denominator yakukwidza ichinomultiplyana nani na 1 iri uku iyi, so is equal to x yakukwidza ichinomultiplyana nani na 1 ari uko, like that. Saka x is equal to 16. Answer yedu manje tinozongoisa mustatement. Therefore, the length on the plan is equal to 16 meters. That will be our final answer. So that's it. I hope you understood. Let us now look at the width. Was tachitsvaga scale drawing length ka takuda kutsvaga scale drawing width. Kuti tiwane scale drawing width manje, again tichatora our scale 1 centimeter as to 5 meters. Tinoda kuconverta 53 meters to a scale drawing width. Saka 53 meters yoya kuma meters, kunoku kwatingazivi toisa kana kuti y, tokuisa any letter. Tadaro tanyora mastatements of proportion zvakanaka, maunits tamatarisa, taarrange zvinhu kwazvinofanira kuenda. Then now we come back and say 1 over y is equal to 5 over 53. We cannot simplify anything kunoku, saka we quickly employ cross multiplication because pane cosine, remember, kureva iko kuti it becomes 1 multiplying 53 is equal to 5 multiplying y. Saka 53 iri equal to 5 times y ndiani ndi 5y. Kuti y asare ega tichadivide both sides nani na 5. Kurevei? Kureva kuti y iri equal to chi? 5 into 5 ndi 1, 5 into 5 ndi 1, 5 into 3 ndi 0, takuisa koma, pesa placeholder panapa, 5 into 30 ndi 6, saka ndi 10,6 meters. Therefore, the width on the plan is equal to 10,6 meters, just like this. So I prefer proportion because it takes us directly to the answer. We don't have to apply much brain power. We don't have to use much logic because these questions can be answered logically. We just have to apply the mathematics and we have our answer. Let us now consider our method number 2. Method number 2 logic. Saka logic inoapply kana tiine an appreciation of what a scale really is. So how are we going to apply it? Chadai so. This is our actual ground, 80 meters and 53 meters. Then this is what we have on our scale. We need to find out how many centimeters for the length and how many centimeters for the width. So panapa, you have to forgive me, there is a mistake. My units answer yedu is actually centimeters, not meters. It's centimeters. Why iri centimeters? Inauye kuti tikatarisa panapa, anditi tikatarisa tachiti 1 centimeter s to 5 meters, tozobvunza kuti ko 80 meters iri s to chi, it should be s to x centimeters. Kusaidi kunoku ndokuri kuyama meters, kusaidi kunoku kuri kuyama centimeters. Asi answer yedu tiri kuiwana x inoi iri kusaidi remacentimeters, so it should be centimeters. If you make such a mistake, you lose all marks. Saka, please be warned, there is a possibility of making a mistake per my units. You have to verify your units to make sure they are actually correct. We have been told that 1 centimeter is representing 5 meters. So zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti kana tiine 80 meters, toda kuziva kuti 1 centimeter mangani ari kuita make 80 meters. Saka tinozviziva sei? We take the representation kana representative of 1 meter. Kana tichiti 1 centimeter is to 5 meters, tiri kuti isusu 1 centimeter iri kurepresenta 5 meters. Tiri kuti zvakare 5 meters dziri kurepresentwa ne1 centimeter. 5 meters handiri irepresentative ye1 centimeter kana tava kuscale, kana tava kuplan, kana tava kudrawing, scale drawing yedu. Saka kuti 80 meters divided by 5 meters, tiri kuzama kuti toda kuziva kuti macentimeters mangani, of which 1 centimeter yakamiririrwa ne5 meters kuground. Am I clear? I hope I'm explaining myself clearly, Banap. So what does it then mean? 5 into 5, 1, into 8, 1, into 8, 8, 16. So Banapa will be equal to 16 centimeters. Why 30 centimeters? Taregere kuti meters. Chekutanga ndechekuti, looking at it more technically, my meters are cancelana Banapa. But I don't want you to think about it in terms of kucancelana kwema uyu. So ma meters pa cancelana ndozvaita give room for centimeters, because our reasoning iri kuti 1 centimeter is representing 5 meters, or 5 meters is a representative of 1 centimeter. That's why answer yedu tichiwana iri 16 centimeters. Saka kana takuinyora panapa techingoti width on the plan is equal to 53 meters dividing 5 meters, which is equal to 10.6 centimeters. Like this. Saka kukosha kweproportion inotora yoenda nesu kuansa tisina kumborizena zvatiri kuita. Proportion yakakosha zvakare kuti inototiudza kuti maunits chii. You see? So this is what how we write our answer. Taizongoya futi toti chi length on the plan is equal to 80 meters over 5 meters, which is what? 16 centimeters. So you can take this route, you get to the answer. But for proportion, it's a make sure. Saka, pick your poison. I've given you the two methods I know on how to deal with such a question. Let us look at the second part of our question. Part B rikuti. If the scale drawing of the wall is a 7 centimeters by 3.2 centimeters rectangle, find its actual length and breadth. Saka yatanga chiti width apo, boku riri kuti breadth is the same thing. Saka tinoita sei inoi. We can use as our method number 1. What can we use? We can use proportion. Tinoishandisa sei proportion? Saka tenge takuti panapa tiri kutsvaga the actual length. Taudzwa kuti 1 centimeter iri kurepresentwa kana kurepresenta 5 meters. What about 7 centimeters iri kurepresenta x meters? Working on it manje, macentimeters ari kwawo ega, mameters ari kwawo ega, everything is right. 1 over 7 is equal to 5 over x. Ukaita cross multiplication, yandiroda ngoita batanidza yese ka 1. Tinowana irichi x is equal to 7 times 5 over 1, which is equal to 35 meters. That is our answer. Actual width. Try actual width. Tonoti munobuditsa semanza nenere. Come back to my solution. 1 centimeter to 5 meters. Then what is the width actually? It's 3.2 centimeters. So it's 3.2 centimeters to 2y meters. 1 over 3.2 is equal to 5 over y. After cross multiplying, y is equal to 5 multiplying 3.2 over 1, which then becomes what is 3.2 multiplying 5? 10 panapa, 15, 16. So it's actually 16 meters like this. So kana tadaiso tatopedza. Proportion hatinamborize hatinambodini, tangoarrange zvinhu zvedu muma statements of proportion ndokutongotora everything straight to the answer. What about tiri vanhu vanoda kurizena? We know kuti 1 centimeter is s to 5 meters. Kureva kuti ka 1 centimeter kari kurepresenta 5 meters. Saka kana tine 7 centimeters, of course the actual length tinenge takungotichi is equal to 7 times 5, which gives us 35 meters. Kokana tine 3.2 centimeters, actual width is equal to 3.2 multiplying 5 to get 16 meters. So this is the logic of it. This is our method number 2, logic. So pick your poison, but if you allow me to choose for you, I would choose proportion at any time, any date. Let us now give you an exercise to oil our engines up. For our exercise, Structure exercise 6a, page racho, page number 35, and this is New General Mathematics, book 2. Tichaita question iyo ina table 6.1. Tichaita A, B, C, D, E, but table 6.1. Then after that, we go to table 6.2. Tichaita E, F, G, H, I. So we have 10 questions. Yekutanga iri kuda kuti tite fill in the table. We are given the true length, the scale, and we have to fill in the length on drawing. You understand? Saka panapa because iyi yakatopiwa 9 centimeters, it means kuti takuita 5 feet. Iyi takatoiudzwa kudhara. So tichaita B, C, D, E, F. Saka tiri kutsvaga the length on the drawing, tapiwa the true length, not actual length. We go over to table 6.2. Panapa manje, tapiwa the length on the drawing, takutsvaga the true length, mascale takamapiwa. So it's EFGHI. Pamwe pacho manje, we are going to be given length on the drawing, ne true length, obva wanyimwa scale. Wonzi tsvaga kuti scale ichi. Maquestions akadaro ariko, tichazopractice nawo on another date. Tadai so tinenge tatosakura tapedza. Kana muine mibvunzo, macomments, zvamunoda kuti zviimproviwe, zvamusinganzwisise, zvamanzwisisa, comments section ndo basa rayo. Asi kana muine zvamunoda kutaura neni personally, in private, especially about extra lessons, tutoring sessions, exam coaching, etc., this is my WhatsApp number. Get to me here and we will help each other. +263 Zimbabwean code, so it's 710469150. Otherwise, thank you for your patience and endurance to enjoy the class and take care.